It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free. It's a Jamaican thing, baby. So come on and join with me. We're there on an exploration across the island. Don't miss this, that is free.
Alright guys, this is IAJT TV. And guess what guys? Today we are at Hope Zoo. So we're here at Hope Zoo. So right now I look at nice these things park. Yeah. Show you guys what time it is. A nice little drive up in St. Andrew area here. So alright guys, let's go. Alright people, so we're there now. Show you guys what time it is. Stick on.
Hope Zoo is centrally located on the grounds of Hope Gardens on Old Hope Road, just before reaching the University of Technology, UTech, in Papine. The zoo is located less than 5 minutes drive or 15 minutes walk from the garden's entrance gates. Parking is available at the zoo for $200 Jamaican dollars. Just be sure to tell the guards you're going to the zoo and not the garden. Besides viewing the animals, other activities are offered, such as guided tours, at an extra cost of $2,000 Jamaican dollars. The petting zoo, feeding the bajeri jars, at an additional cost of $100 Jamaican dollars per person, and dining at the Serengeti Bistro. Carry a picnic basket since restrooms, numerous gazebos, and tables are available. They're open every day from 10 a.m. to 5 p.m., but close half an hour later on weekends and public holidays.
So guys, now we're there, Hope Zoo. I'll go inside now, go check out what we're going. Alright, so this is our nice entrance area. Just get a ticket. Go inside now. So we got what time it is.
A zoo day pass costs $1,500 Jamaican dollars for adults and $1,000 for children and senior citizens.
Yeah, man, everything there, you president. Stop the receipt.
Oh, receipt. So it's a self tour.
Yeah, man. Straight up, welcome time.
Alright, cool.
But occasional discounts exist, which you can obtain from their website. Purchase your ticket at the cashier, then prepare to revisit your childhood for the next few hours. The zoo is arranged in a sort of ring road, so it's easy to find every animal without a tour guide. Majority of the zoo's residents are of the avian species, and the flamingos were the welcoming parties.
So, open at the Hope Zoo. Then people, guess what? We actually have some stuff here. So we're gonna talk about people. It's lovely, beautiful, eh? Alright, people. Yeah, so we're going to venture deeper. No, I said another place. Ritzy, nice and clean people. Yeah? That one, huh? Alright. Alright, Jenna. Oh yeah. Hey, give them already, man, them dance here. Alright. So alright. Guys, we're here to make a beat for them part of them actually dance here. I'm gonna try it out then now. Let's go. Alright, I'm gonna go on bad now. Going again. Boy, people, me I tell you them smart. Jaja. Alright, so that's the blue and gold. Alright. Alright, people gonna go further up on that thing right now. Alright. So these are the flamingos. If we can get a better shot at the flamingos, people. Alright, so those are flamingos. Two flamingos. People, try that again. One more we can get, so that's bird sanctuary over there. Come on. I'll go further up on everything right now. Okay. So I guess we can get closer to some flamingos. Actually, I have some ducks here. Nice and white and pretty people. Alright, so we have the flamingos over here. Come on, people, so the flamingo them over there. See what time it is. Alright. Well guys, definitely on a weekend. We'll have more visitors. So this is actually a fish pond. People, I'm gonna chat again now. Alright. Alright, people, so we basically have self-tour. You can just basically walk and check out the place for yourself. So that's what I'm basically doing right now, so I guess host events and stuff like that. Place look awesome so far. Alright, so that's the hungry hut. So I guess if you want to get something to eat, get something to eat over there. No. So what I go on the side. Alright. There you have the peacock. Boats right there. Nice boat. There you have a turkey and some guinea chick. Shut down right now. So see, I guess you have a variety of chickens or fowl. In this area, you have a variety of chicken and fowl. Yes, people tried it again. Alright, so you have some mini horse or what's the name again? What them name again, Material? What them name again? Alright, people, so right, that's another have a miniature horse. Get another walk again. So you have some more parts here. So we could try and do the dance move down here now. Boom, 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 boom. Well, them man they not dance with. Now be like I'm shy, so. Alright, so you have some nice parts here. Alright, people, we're going to take another walk. Alright, so you have some other types of chicken here as well. The man that's showing you guys what's going on. Some nice pork eats here again. Alright, over here you have guinea pig. Alright, people. People, take another walk. Don't come any further. Get shy for us. Alright, people. Right here, I got 2 cows. Show you guys what time it is. Yeah. Alright. So, people. So, and over there, check out again. So, we're going to get to see. Alright, so, tag along, people. Hope Zoo, Kingston, St. Andrew. So right now, people, we're look on the kangaroo them right now. So let's go. Right now, people, I don't even know if to call them, but I try to get them attention. So them over there. So over there you have the kangaroos. Yeah, man. Alright, them kind of chill out. I'm really agree. No vibe right now, but I'm gonna move to another area. Yeah, man. Right now, guys. Yeah, them have school tours here or group tours, but I don't know me alone forward, so I do a self tour. Alright, alright people, so guess what now, we're going to visit the monkey them right now. That's where them are going with. So this way to the monkeys. Alright people, so yeah man, so we're going right now, so yeah, you have a whole variety of species, pigeons, so check out and see what going on, people. Right. People. Alright, so I'm not sure of the names of all of these animals, but yeah, I'll show you guys what's going on here. Explaining all of these animals, the types of animals. So then we have some more parts here. Some more peacocks there. Alright, people. Alright. So these are the red-tailed arcs. So those are actually some arcs, people. Check out and see what I've won. And people, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. So know it's a Jamaican Thing TV, where I'll take all of these, nice, exotic, authentic Jamaican things to you guys. Alright, so let's walk again. So they have a whole lot of parts here, people. A whole lot of parts. Let's spend again some more parts here. And Jamaica, I guess these parts are actually from Jamaica, cause yeah. Even in the wild, you guys will see those. They have some other birds here. I've seen a description for these. So that's empty. So come on, see how them look there. People, with some more birds again. Alright, some more parakeets, people. A whole lot of parakeets. Alright. Here again we have some more parakeets. People. So let's take another trot. People, guys can see they have a whole lot of birds over here. A whole lot of birds. Yes, some I walk. Take another trot to see. What else I might see. So stick around, people. But people, definitely the atmosphere, the greenery, the ambience is awesome. Awesome. So people actually see some other animals over here. Alright. So people, so that's a deer. Actually a deer. Actually a deer, people. Look at him. Alright. I'm gonna have some other exotic peacocks in here. Let's see exactly what's in this cage. We have guinea fowl, which are those right there. We have Indian peafowl, peacock we call it. Those, you have them in full white and you have them in the normal colors, you know them in. There. Another one here. Take a closer look. Remember that clean up himself and killing people. Alright, we have to keep to you guys. Show you what time it is. So guys, you can definitely check it out. Check out the zoo here at Oak Zoo. Now we're going to check out some zebras. Over here, you have the donkeys and zebras. Right now, I'm really after the donkey right now, but I actually seen the zebras, people, so I'll show you what time it is. Go, go, go. Alright, people, so that's actually a zebra. People, that's actually a zebra. Alright, so that's the zebra friend here. Let's take a look on the zebra. There is a donkey inside there, but he doesn't know now come out now show himself, so take another shot, people. Right. So people right now will visit the lion cage. I'm on the king of the jungle right now. Lion cage, people. Show you guys what time it is. Alright, people, so I go on. One. That's the male lion there. That's the lioness there. No more no way I look for out here, see. Alright. So people, I'm gonna go and take another trod. So else we can find. Another party here, sounds like him even can talk. Hello? 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 Show me ear, say hello a while ago. Hello? Hello? Jaja. Show me ear, say hello a while ago. Alright. So over here we have some more miniature horse. Take a look at them, people. I'm on the place nice, people. Nice, you know, nice and cool. And I'll find some sheep. Yeah, man. Some nice sheep over there. Nice and fat. Alright, people. Try again. What else we can find? Alright, people. see some wild out. Some turkeys over there. And look further. Yeah, man. Alright, people. Look at that flood. Yeah, man. See some pigs or hogs. You know? Most of the animals that are here at Oak Zoo. Now we have ostrich. World's largest bird, people. Now check out that one. Huge. Alright, people. Make another trod. But I guess over here I have some iguanas and turtles and parrots. So just to find iguanas. Alright, people, find some iguanas here. Some iguanas there. See another one over there. And they are chillax. And cool out. Yeah, man, seeing the people. Huge. That's another one there. And iguanas are actually harmless. They only defend themselves. So people like that. See another turtle there. And some parrots as well. I'm showing you some more turtle people. And so I have a whole variety of animals over here. So find some turtles here. Oh, the host of them people. There's one there. We'll find a few more. And people, I don't know if you notice, most of them animals here actually eat vegetables and fruits. That's one of the things I like to them animals. So I'll go over here now. Okay, so we have some more iguana over here. So I'm actually seeing one right now. See if we can get a closer look. Alright people, so that's one. So people like to Canada for trad. Now there's a cage up here that I didn't check. Going to see what's going on there. Okay, so we actually have some more iguanas here. Okay, people, so that's another one. It's another iguana. And there's actually a big one over this side. See if we can, catch him up close and personal as well. Yeah, man, see I'm big and fat people. That's a huge one. Big iguana people. Huge. Yeah, man, I take another walk again. See if I can, see what's going on in another cage. So that's another peacock. Beautiful, huh? And these are actually out and free in this area. Look at that. Look at that, people. Beautiful. Come on to the oaks here, show you guys a whole lot of different species of birds and animals. So I'm actually seeing one now. Not really sure where the other one is, because normally they put a pair in each pen or something like that. But anyway, it's not seen anymore, so take another shot, people. I'm sure I was seeing a camel somewhere around here, so let's go and see if we can find it. So people just visiting camels, we'll see what else we can find of people. Don't know how these animals are often. So definitely one of the day when the kids are not off school, definitely have to take them here. But this one is for you guys. Let's go. Alright. See the cups them here, people, and some turtles. This cage here, a whole lot of turtles. A whole lot of turtles in this cage here, people. People, so let's check out the crocs. Alright, people, so that's actually a fake croc, or that's actually a real croc. American crocodile. What feet? No, so these are actually real crocs. They're actually real crocs, but they're just there still. I didn't even realize that they were real crocs. Real crocs, people. There's another one over there. And they're so still. Thought they were fake. So we're going to check out some more. So that's another one over there. Actually, real crocs, people. Real crocs. people, check them out. So it seems like the crocs, you know, like them, you know, whenever them not eat or going about the business, you know, they'll enjoy being still. People see the money cooks are actually. So you can see that he's actually just the breathing action out of the throat. He's really beautiful. Real as I am. So if you can check out people, you see that? Yeah man, it's a Jamaican thing, TV taking all things Jamaican for the people. Alright, so you see him moving just now. Alright, people, not happy. So I guess it's cool right now and that's a healing. Up close and personal people with the crocs. So we're going to take a trad now. I want to show you guys the monkeys, but they say that section is actually closed off for renovation, so we're not going to actually see the monkeys them today. But you know, definitely people have to come back up here, bring the youth them. So go on, you know, make them enjoy themselves. Alright, so I hear that there's a snake cage somewhere around here, so I'm gonna look for that. I'll show you guys the snakes. You know, just a sneak peek on the monkeys. Remember if you guys can look good. You can see one right there. See the people. To that people. And man, just a sneak peek on the monkey there. Alright people, so we can find another one. Alright, so that's another one over there, people. Alright, them really just stick around. Alright, so we'll go move. And I'm gonna show you guys this. That's a turtle here, people. Yeah, guys, are close on it. Closer look on the turtles, people. Don't know, I'm minding my own business. so still I try to find out where the snake cage is. So we're gonna try to feed them. Alright, so let's try. So people, that's basically, I don't know, the tour of Hope Zoo. We have a good amount of animals. So we see the crocodile, we see the lion, the giraffe, we see the camel. Yeah, all different species of birds, parrots, rabbits, goats, cows. You know, sneak peek for the monkeys. Even the call them kangaroo. So, apart from the animals, you guys have areas over here you can chill out, also keep an event and things like that. You have tours for groups. Today I came by myself, so you don't know, it's a self tour. So definitely people come on down, bring the young ones, have them check out Hope Zoo. Yeah, people. So people, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel. It's a Jamaican Thing TV. Don't know, carry everything authentic Jamaica to you. So you guys can, if you can't make it, I'll take them to you. All the exotic spots, all the hot spots you can think of Jamaican. I don't know. I'll take them to you, showcase them to you guys. So definitely come on down to Hope Zoo people. Now, I'm still curious because I heard that there's a snake cage or snake house. So the snake house is actually behind. Okay, so this is where the goats are. Snake cage is behind the goat house, so people will definitely ever check that out again. So check out the snake cage. Tag along, bro. People will, I'm actually here, so the snake them down that side, so I'm walk around and go look. Actually where they are. So people, guinea pig there. So people, yeah man, this is where shown to, if I can find the snake cage. So that's one there. So they're actually in a glass protected area. And snakes are kind of, I don't know, secretives. Them like the iron and things. So people see that's another one there. so got that, people. That's the skin that one had shed. So now that's the one that shed that skin there, people. Okay, awesome. So it's the Jamaican boa. Alright. See if we can find any more. Oh, no, this is a huge one, people. Look at this. Huge. Oh, that's a python. Huge, people. Huge. So this is the snake house. There's another one there. Alright, people. That's another one there. Alright, people, so come on down. We're supposed to have turtles in here. Okay, there they are. That's one they're eating. That's one. Oh. So those are actually tortoises. Tortoises, right? Alright, people. Alright, so let's take another trod. See what else we might find. Okay, that's another snake there. You guys can actually see that one moving. The man and them do a lot of shedding of skin. So as you guys can see, that's another skin that they have shed. That's another one there as well. So that's actually two in this cage. Alright, people. Okay, people, so that's one there up close and personal. See if we can find this one. Okay, so that's another skin shed there. Let's see over there. Alright, people, so that's basically it, you know. That's basically it for the animals here. So that's it, people. So definitely, I don't know, subscribe to the channel if you haven't yet subscribed. Hit the notification bell and like and share, people. Don't know, and watch the videos to the end. Don't skip out the commercial, them people. Watch the commercial, them so we get paid. Alright, people, so until the next time, it's your boy Duali on IAJT TV. Alright?